FREEFLY ALTA 8. In the modern world, drones perform many different functions. They can take pictures and video from a great height, put out fires, and track down criminals. However, recently it became clear that you can even surf with drones. The video demonstrated the work of the multi-purpose unmanned aerial vehicle FREEFLY ALTA 8. The video shows the power of the device. Initially, it was planned that it would be used only as a means of observation and patrolling, but soon turned out that it has enough power to pull a person along the water. Despite its modest size, the drone is only 1.1 meters long, it can reach speeds of up to 75 kilometers per hour and rise to heights of up to 300 meters.